Movie night at home.
Wow, this setup looks amazing.
Thank you. I wanted to make movie night feel a little special.
You definitely did. Pizza, popcorn, blankets. What else do we need?
Nothing. We're all set.
This is perfect.
I know, right? I've been looking forward to this all week.
Same here. It's nice to finally relax.
Seriously, this week felt so long.
Tell me about it. I feel like I've been busy every single day.
Me too. That's why I said we needed a movie night.
Best idea you've had all week.
Only all week?
Okay, one of the best ideas ever.
Much better.
So, what are we watching?
I thought you were picking the movie.
Wait, I thought you were picking the movie.
Uh-oh.
Don't tell me we spent all this time getting ready and forgot to choose a movie.
Maybe we did.
That sounds exactly like us.
Okay, no problem. We have plenty of options.
What kind of movie are you in the mood for?
Maybe a comedy.
A comedy sounds good.
Or a mystery.
Now you're making it difficult.
What do you want to watch?
Honestly, anything as long as it's good.
That really narrows it down.
I'm easy to please.
No, you're impossible to choose a movie with.
Me?
Yes, you.
I remember the last time we watched something together.
What about it?
You spent 20 minutes reading movie descriptions.
I like to know what I'm getting into.
And then you chose the first movie I suggested.
Well, it turned out to be a good movie.
Exactly.
Don't get too confident.
Too late.
Here, take the popcorn.
Wow, you made a lot.
You always eat more popcorn than you think.
That is absolutely true.
I know.
Did you put butter on it?
Of course.
Perfect.
And I added a little salt.
You really thought of everything.
I told you, movie night done right.
You know what's missing?
What?
A drink.
There are sodas on the table.
Oh,
You didn't even look.
I was distracted by the pizza.
Understandable.
This pizza smells amazing.
Go ahead, grab a slice.
Don't mind if I do.
Careful, it's hot.
I can handle it.
Famous last words.
Ouch!
See?
Okay, you were right.
I usually am.
Let's not get carried away.
I'm just saying.
This is really good, though.
Right? I ordered it from our favorite place.
I knew it tasted familiar.
Pepperoni, extra cheese, and your favorite toppings.
You remembered.
Of course I remembered.
I'm impressed.
Good. That was the plan.
Okay, let's pick a movie before we eat all the pizza.
Deal.
How about an action movie?
Maybe not.
Too much?
A little. I just want something relaxing tonight.
Okay, what about a comedy?
That's better.
Something funny and easy to watch?
Exactly.
I found one.
What's it about?
Two friends who go on a road trip.
That could be fun.
It has good reviews, too.
How long is it?
About 2 hours.
That's okay.
So, should I play it?
Wait, let me see the trailer first.
Of course.
What?
Nothing. I knew you were going to say that.
You know me too well.
I'm starting to.
Okay, play the trailer.
Here we go.
Oh, this actually looks pretty funny.
See, I have great taste.
Let's watch the movie first.
Fair enough.
But I think this could be a good choice.
Finally.
Don't celebrate yet. Let me check one more movie.
What?
Just one more.
This is exactly what I was talking about.
I'm comparing our options.
We have snacks, pizza, popcorn, a comfortable couch, and everything ready.
And I want the movie to be good.
Okay, one more movie.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, this one looks interesting.
What is it?
A mystery comedy.
A mystery and a comedy?
Best of both worlds.
Okay, now you have my attention.
See? I told you I had a good idea.
We haven't watched it yet.
You're ruining my moment.
Sorry, please continue.
Thank you.
Should we watch it?
I think so.
Finally, we have a winner.
Don't celebrate it like it was a competition.
It was.
Against who?
Us.
Fair point.
Okay, lights off?
Wait, leave that lamp on.
Really?
Yeah, I don't want the room completely dark.
I thought this was movie night.
It still is.
Okay, one lamp stays on.
Perfect.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, I've got my blanket.
Want another pillow?
No, I'm good.
Okay, What about you? I'm perfect.
You always say that right before asking me for a pillow.
Actually,
You knew it.
can I have that extra pillow?
Sure.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, no more delays.
Press play.
Pressing play now.
Wait,
Again?
I need some popcorn.
You have to be kidding me.
Just give me the bowl.
Here.
Thanks.
Now can I press play?
Yes.
Finally.
You're very impatient tonight.
I'm hungry and I want to watch the movie.
Then eat your pizza.
Great advice.
I know.
Okay, the movie is starting.
Shh.
It just started.
Exactly. I'm trying to listen.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Wow, that was strict.
Movie rules.
Since when do we have movie rules?
Since tonight.
What are the rules?
Rule number 1, no talking during important scenes.
Okay.
Rule number 2, don't ask me what's happening if you weren't paying attention.
That seems very specific.
Because you do it every time.
Not every time.
Most times.
Fine. What's rule number 3?
No checking your phone.
That's a good rule.
And rule number 4, don't eat all the popcorn.
Now that's unfair.
It's necessary.
Okay, I agree.
Great.
Hey, this movie is actually pretty good.
We're only 10 minutes in.
I can already tell.
Let's hope you're right.
Look at that guy. He's definitely hiding something.
Don't start guessing already.
I'm just making observations.
You're going to ruin the mystery.
Okay, I'll stay quiet.
Thank you.
But if I guess the ending,
No,
I didn't even finish my sentence.
I knew where you were going.
Fine.
Just watch.
You know, I'm really glad we did this.
Me too.
It's nice to just stay home sometimes.
Definitely. Going out is fun, but staying in can be just as nice.
Especially with pizza.
Everything comes back to pizza with you.
Pizza is important.
Apparently.
Hey, don't steal my slice.
I wasn't stealing it.
Your hand was literally moving toward it.
I was checking if it was still warm.
Nice excuse.
Okay, maybe I wanted a bite.
Go ahead.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks.
See? I'm nice.
Sometimes.
I'll take that.
Wait, did you see that clue?
What clue?
Right there.
I missed it.
You were eating.
Food is distracting.
You have a problem.
I have priorities.
Sure.
What was the clue?
I'm not telling you.
Why not?
Rule number 2.
You made that rule 5 minutes ago.
And it's already useful?
That's cold.
Pay attention next time.
Fine, I'll figure it out myself.
Good luck.
I think I know who did it.
Already?
Yep.
Who?
I'm not telling you.
Why not?
Movie rules.
Oh, now you want to follow the rules.
Exactly.
You're impossible.
But I'm fun.
That's true.
See? Another compliment.
Don't get used to it.
Too late.
You know what?
What?
This is exactly why movie night is fun with you.
Because I eat too much pizza?
No.
Because I talk too much?
Also, no.
Then why?
Because you make everything entertaining.
Okay, that was definitely a compliment.
Maybe.
I'm gonna remember that.
Of course you are.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, we're almost out of popcorn.
How did that happen?
I have no idea.
You eat most of it.
There's no proof.
The empty bowl is proof.
Circumstantial evidence.
You've been watching too many mysteries.
The movie isn't even over yet.
And somehow you're already acting like a detective.
I'm ready for my new career.
Please don't quit your day job.
Ouch.
I'm kidding.
I know.
Okay, quiet. This part looks important.
Got it.
Shh.
Shh.
Oh,
I knew it.
you did not.
Okay, I had a feeling.
That's not the same thing.
Close enough.
No, it isn't.
I'm counting it as a win.
Of course you are.
This movie was a great choice.
We still have 20 minutes left.
I'm just saying so far.
Okay, I agree.
Another compliment.
Don't push your luck.
Right. Sorry.
Now watch the movie.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't call me ma'am.
Sorry.
Again.
I'm learning.
Slowly.
Hey.
Shh. Movie.
Right.
Shh.
Okay, now that was a good ending.
I know. I didn't see that coming.
Neither did I.
I thought you knew who did it.
I knew who didn't do it.
Nice save.
Thank you.
So, what did you think?
Honestly, 10 out of 10.
Really?
Great movie, great pizza, great company.
That was smooth.
I know.
I had fun too.
Good. We should do this again.
Definitely.
Next Friday?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Let's see how the week goes.
Fair enough.
But I like the idea.
Movie night could become our thing.
I'd like that.
Me too.
Next time, though, you're bringing the popcorn.
Why me?
Because you ate almost all of mine.
Allegedly.
Definitely.
Fine, I'll bring extra.
Good.
And pizza?
Absolutely.
Then it's a deal.
It's a deal.
Best night ever.
You say that a lot.
Because I mean it.
Okay.
Same couch, same snacks, next movie night?
Sounds perfect.
I can't wait.
Me neither.
All right, should we clean up now?
Let's do it tomorrow.
I thought you liked cleaning.
Not tonight.
Now that's something we can agree on.
Good night.
Good night.
And don't forget to turn off the TV.
I won't.
And the lamp.
Got it.
And...
I'll take care of everything.
Okay.
Good night, for real this time.
Good night.